Welcome to Who Wants to Be a Wild Millionaire? Now, to select our contestant, we'll ask them a question. What is a pitcher plant? A candy bar. B, water in a pitcher. C, a carnivorous plant. Or D, a nuclear plant.
C.
You are correct.
Yay!
Now, before our next question, I'd just like to remind you about our lifelines. You could call a friend, 50-50, or ask the audience.
Okay.
Worth $50,000. What kinds of nutrients does the pitcher plant require? A, amino acids, nitrogen and phosphorus. B, water. C, sun. Or D, no nutrients needed.
Well, let me think about this for a minute. I believe that most plants obtain nitrogen from the soil through their roots. Carnivorous plants are adapted to nutrient-poor habitats such as volcanic soil, bogs, sand, fens, lakes, and ponds. The aquatic carnivorous plant, Ultricularia, commonly called bladderwort, extracts phosphorus from tiny aquatic animals. So that could be something that potentially, but that's not one of the answers. The ability to absorb amino acids, the components of protein, is the defining characteristic of a carnivorous plant. So saying all that, I think it's A. All of those ones.
You're right.
Yay!
You're smart.
Thanks.
Who are bats' predators? A, lions, tigers, and bears. B, snakes, tarantulas, hawks, owls, and parasites. C, mice. Or D, cavemen.
Well, I'm not sure. I think we should probably ask the audience on this one.
Okay,
It's a lot of money.
let's ask the audience.
I think it's B. Their main predators are snakes, owls, tarantulas, and hawks, and especially parasites because they suck their blood.
Okay, so the audience thinks it's B. What are your thoughts?
Well, I kind of figured it might have been B, just because of the parasite part in particular, because I know that that's one of their main problems. So I'm going to go with B. Final answer.
Okay, that's correct.
Yes! Thanks, audience! Woo!
Worth $250,000. How do pitcher plants get their nutrients? A, plants secrete digestive enzymes to break down the bodies of the creatures they trap. B, ants drop leaves into them. C, they collect rainwater. D, they eat other pitcher plants to get their nutrients.
Well, D sounds kind of interesting. I wonder if they do that. But again, I actually know a little bit about pitcher plants and how they actually get their nutrients. They have deeply folded leaves that are kind of cup-shaped, and the plant stores digestive enzymes in it. Not really. They store sweet-smelling juice, not digestive enzymes. Well, kind of digestive enzymes too. Okay, enough rambling. Digestive enzymes in the juice help to break down the insects. Basically, they do that by the insects. They're unable to climb back out of the pitcher plant once they've been drawn in by this sweet-smelling juice, and then they lose all their energy and they fall into the digestive juices, and then they basically get digested by the plant. So I think it's A. Final answer.
That is correct.
Yes, awesome.
Okay, so our final question.
I can't believe we made it this far. Holy.
So close to winning that $1 million. Okay, why do some pitcher plants like having bats sleep over?
Oh boy.
A, the feces of bats provide nutrients. B, bats provide protection for the pitcher plants. C, the bats will increase sunlight that the plant receives. D, they do not like to have them sleep over.
Well, I don't know about you, but I don't think I'd want a bat sleeping over. But I'm sure this has something to do with the previous questions, kind of talking about how the plants require nutrients and that sort of mutualistic relationship that they've developed with bats and tree shrews. And I think in all those cases, it was because they were basically using the pitcher plants as a toilet, so they were crapping in the plant, and that gave it nutrients. So, you know, I think I've got this one. I think it's A. I think that's my final answer for $1 million. I feel confident.
Are you sure?
I feel confident.
Okay. You are correct!
Yeah! Yes! Awesome! Woohoo! Money!
Congratulations, you just won $1 million.
Good.
好，现在我们今天来到了一个叫波尼欧的地方，然后这个地方的景色特别的美好，然后我和很多同学一起在这里，我们在拍摄一个十分傻逼的 video， 然后在这个地方我们来调查了一个叫猪笼草的东西 picture plant， 然后我们对一个组织做出了很多贡献 WWF and但是今天天气特别好，所以我们就在这个草丛地方拍。我们选了很多地方，然后发现这个地方真不错，所以我们最后就在这里。